So what is up, YouTubers? You can't just...
I'm sorry, I get nervous.
That's all right. So what is up, YouTubers? What is up, YouTubers? I'm out with the nervous Nelly. This is my friend Sydney, and we are out in Oxford, Michigan, in the countryside. We were just at Peas, which is Pan Equus Animal Sanctuary, and I was showing Sydney the horses, and we were hanging out. This is Sydney. Say hi.
Hi.
And now we are out on this dirt road. Look out. And we're gonna take some photos and hopefully not get hit by cars. So we're gonna take some photos and see what we can get. All right. Yep.
Okay.
I back up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like a run and turn? Maybe not run.
Yeah. Hold on.
Walk?
Yeah, walk and turn, but hold on, wait until I'm ready. Get the right distance. All right, ready?
Yes.
All right, go. Here we go.
Spinning? You want me to keep spinning?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll stop spinning.
No, you can stop, but ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
I don't know. I can't do anymore. We'll see.
All right, that's good. She gets dizzy easily. All right, we are starting to lose light back here, but we're gonna try and keep shooting a little bit more. I think we're gonna change outfits, but I'm also gonna switch lenses and do a major zoom lens and isolate her. And then we'll do an outfit change. You can either shoot here or move on to another location. And then we'll be back.
You want the dress or the sweater?
He wants to go ripping by us. Maybe he does want to get shot. Guy on the motorcycle out there, about to come ripping by us. And Sydney is in the cloak of invisibility.
Thank God.
It's key for shooting, yeah. Because you're on this.
It's impossible to do though. I'm not really quite sure how I'm going to go about this.
You got this. Again, it's a great tool because when you're out, like we're in the middle of nowhere, but still people are coming by like this guy, and so you just need the ability to cover up. She's doing an outfit change. We are back. The battery died as I was filming, and Sydney's still changed. Oh, she's changed.
Oh, I missed an arm.
How do you do that? I don't know where she put her arm through, but it's not through the armhole. So, yeah. All right, so she's getting changed, And I think we're gonna drive down the road a little bit, take a couple shots here, then drive down the road a little bit and look for another spot, because I think I want to get her laying in the grass or the woods. We just got, you know what poison ivy looks like?
Nope.
Neither do I. We'll be fine.
That was completely helpless.
It's 3 cloves. We'll look out for it. But what I want to do here, so new outfit. Do a little twirl. I hope that filmed her. We are now going to, still at the same spot, but I'm gonna shove her in the woods back there and hopefully not get her all poison ivied, and get some photos. Alrighty, and let's look out for critters and bugs and stuff. I'm still shooting with my 85. Shit, I need to switch lenses really quickly. Oh wait, stay there, so go this way?
Hardest part to stand.
Yeah. Can you do one without the shoes? Alright, yeah, because those shoes are just,
Here.
they look awkward.
They feel awkward.
Here, I'll come and take it.
Yeah. Let's talk on. I might need to hang out here.
Million times better?
Yeah. Hi to my little friend.
Yeah. So that was your moment of nature zen. Still out here with Sydney.
Haven't left yet.
just running around barefoot.
Not in a bando this time.
Yeah, not in a bando this time. Running around barefoot, getting some photos in the woods and in the nature, and in this gorgeous dress from Free People. And we are moving on a little bit further to find another location. We found this little clearing that opens up to like a field, and we're going to get in the light a little bit and have Sydney lay down in the field and take some shots. Hopefully it looks good, but I think it will.
There's deer prints.
Where? Oh yeah.
There's lots of them.
Nice. Yeah, this is gorgeous plain. And the clouds, look at the clouds right now. This is just looks really good right now. All right, we'll be back.
Right here.
We're just gonna bask in the sun for a little bit
It's so warm.
because it's been a chilly day. But yeah, we just popped a little bit into this field and really got some great photos because the sun is killing it right now, and so is Sydney. And today turned out to be a gorgeous fall day. Earlier I was downtown for a shoot. Now I'm out here in Oxford, a little bit in the country, near some farms, some animals, and really got some dope portraits in. Calling it a wraps with Sydney, and we will see you next time. Obviously, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the above, and have a good day. Say goodbye, Sydney.
Bye.
And we'll see you later.